Hello y'all from Arizona. Welcome to my channel, Nugget Shooterette Expeditions. My name is Tammy, if you're new to the channel. And we are back at it again, trying to hunt these morel mushrooms. We haven't found any yet. I believe this is my third time since we've been here hunting, and Bill's fourth, because I missed one day. But that's what we're doing today. We're out in the forest again, looking around for morels. It's like any time they could pop up. It's just that everything, all the conditions are getting pretty right. The ground's wet. We had rain. The snow's melted. Temperatures are rising, 77 today. There's Mr. Southern. And we're just still searching for these morels. I'll sure be glad when I get to find one. It'll be my first time ever. But right now, we're gonna get back in the truck with the Chihuahuas. We got all four of them with us again today, and I'm gonna go find a little spot to have lunch. So I got a couple of these store-bought burritos. We're just gonna go heat them up on the firebox stove. So let's go get back with y'all. Okay, y'all, we found a cool little spot, which we were here the other day. Where it's a little pond area. But we got our little firebox stove that Bill's gonna set up, and we're just gonna heat up these burritos right here that I wrapped up in some foil, some store-bought burritos we got yesterday. And of course, dog food for the doggies. And if you haven't met all our Chihuahuas, this one is little bitty. And this is the mother, and this is the daughter. We saved them. That's Shadow. Shadow eating grass. Y'all know who Bruno is. And then we have Miss Dixie. All our rescue dogs. Say hi, Dixie. Say hi. Dixie, say hi. Hey, good girl. Okay, so we're getting set up here. These things are really neat. Yeah, if you've watched some past videos, you would see that we've used this before to make. What did we heat up? Some pork chops one time in the desert, honey?
Yeah, I think it was pork chops one time.
And then
burritos.
And then I had made some meat for tacos, and I made some up and wrapped them up in foil before we came out, and we had those.
Yeah, and a good old Boy Scout mess kit in case we need dishes.
Yeah.
But we'll put these in there to hold the sterno. We're gonna cook with sterno.
There's the sterno. This is the sterno right there.
And these slide right in there, like so. And we open the sterno theoretically.
I know the dogs are ready to eat too, I'm sure.
We could use wood in this if we wanted, but
which we have actually, haven't we?
But we're kind of not feeling like making a mess. And
I'm hungry.
I think we should come up another notch. What do you think? Maybe try it there.
Whatever you think.
We'll come up a notch. It is adjustable. I think it might be too high though. Let's see.
Bruno, come here, buddy.
Let's see. Yeah, that's a little too high, I think. We'll leave her where it was. And we don't smoke, so we don't have a lighter. I gotta
Beautiful
go find a
day
lighter.
out here while he's
I'll be back.
Setting up.
I gotta get a lighter.
I'll give you a little view with his big head in the way. Biscuit head.
Biscuit head?
Yeah. Anyways, it's so beautiful back here. Come on, Bruno. Stay right here. Everybody stay right here. They're like, you got me tied up. Yeah, that's because it's hard to keep before Chihuahua wasn't filming. Don't want to lose one of them. That would be horrible. But yes, it's nice back here.
No fire here.
Yeah, we don't really see nothing burnt back here because no, that's the area you want to be looking for the black morel mushrooms. But yeah, very nice. Pine trees everywhere.
Okie dokie.
And what's that other tree? We have ponderosa pines and the other one's a what?
Spruce.
A spruce. What's this one right here? Spruce. These are spruces, right?
That'd be a blue spruce,
Yeah, these are spruces. They're pretty big trees.
Hey, we're missing somebody.
Hey! Get over here. Trying to keep over 4 chihuahuas in the forest. Huh.
4 chihuahuas in the forest.
4 chihuahuas
Right,
in the
you're ready
forest.
to cook there,
Okay, so
Chef.
here we go back over to the firebox stove.
I might just sit over here and hang out with the chihuahuas.
He lit the sterno, and basically, you're just going to throw it on there. I'm just going to throw both on like this, and just keep flipping them. Flipping them to warm up. So yeah, there you go. We love that little thing. It's nice and easy to set up when you want to just stop somewhere and have lunch.
We could use wood.
And you can also use wood.
Or anything.
Basically.
Alcohol, wood.
So, I'm going to sit down on this nice log right here and tend to our food and get back with you. We have got a Bruno cam set up. I don't know if y'all can actually see me or not, but Bruno has a GoPro on his back right now. And we're just going to look at a view from the world from Bruno's point of view today. So, this is our first time putting a camera on Bruno. If you can see me, hi. I have a beef stick in my hand, so it's easy to keep him following me. So we are actually today cooking some lunch on our firebox stove. I wonder if you can see it from Bruno's view. This will be interesting to see because it'll be the first Bruno cam video. Here you go, buddy. Let's go give your sister some. We're stopped to have some lunch today. And we decided to put the camera on Bruno. See the world in Bruno's eyes. Which in the world in his eyes right now is me carrying a beef stick. So let's do a little walk around with him. Come on, Bruno. This is so cool. Bruno's wearing a camera. I'm filming. He doesn't even realize it. Let's look over here, Bernie. He said, Mama, I just want that beef stick. Let's give him a view. All right, let's turn around. Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Showing everybody your head, probably.
Bruno, come here, boy. Bruno, come.
Go see Daddy.
Bruno. Oh, he's gonna lose it. Come on, Bruno, you're losing your scent.
Come on.
What's going on? Come here, boy.
It does. We gotta adjust it, maybe.
Come here, I gotta straighten you up. Come here.
Here,
Come here, boy.
honey.
What you got?
The
Mushroom?
way to get him in.
Come here. Come here. Let's straighten this up. Okay, there you go. You're live again, boy. Live at 5.
Here's two wild eyes. Hey, little bit stole. Y'all want some dog food for lunch? I'm gonna need paper towels. You looking for more sausages, boy? Where are they? That's the best view of Momo from down there. Woo! Make me look like Godzilla.
That's working pretty good, huh, boy? It
Wonder
needs to go a
if-
little bit to the right.
What if you should tilt it more straight up and down a little more? You have it going up in the air, but
I can tilt. We'll try this.
Little
This is
bit.
experimental,
yeah,
folks.
It's
So
experimental filming with Bruno.
come on, boy. Let's go for a walk.
But you know he's gonna want to eat in a minute.
Yeah. Don't shake.
I want some chow.
No rolling dirt, boy.
Yeah, don't do that, Bruno.
No shaking. We'll see how this looks. He's sure moving it around a lot. Come on, boy. Oh, come here, boy. Come here. You shook the Bruno cam sideways. There we go. There we go. We're back on, boy. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Down, down. Y'all gotta eat one at a time. Bruno cam. He doesn't even have a clue that he's filming. All right.
He has a clue he doesn't like that harness.
I know, right? Probably like,
He's like, what you all doing to me?
they said, what y'all got on that firebox stove?
Yeah.
Was it good, Biddy? All right, Bruno, you want to eat some next? Make you up some food, boy.
Yeah, we'll just keep trying several angles until we get it right.
Like I said, y'all, this is a practice run on Bruno filming.
All I know is it's going to be fun to watch.
Oh, right. All right, Bruno. You want some chow, boy? Y'all like this dog food. Y'all be tearing it up. Okay, boy, have some chow. A day in the life of Bruno the Wonder Dog.
Want that thing off, boy. Come on. That's a good enough test.
All right, hope y'all enjoy. Hey, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
For more Bruno action.